good evening, Lupa.
You know what happened? There is so much traffic. She will send us.
Too much people here at the metro station. Mall of
Crowded.
Yeah, you can see. Oh, too much people. Too much people. Too much people. Oh my God. Maybe
You have to send us. You want.
you want to see your face?
Cute camera.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Wow. New friends. What is your nationality?
Ethiopia.
Ah, Ethiopia.
You? Filipino.
Kabayan.
Kabayan.
You know
Ano
ba?
ginagawa mo?
Wow! Alam niya. Tinuruan mo? Kasama kayo sa ano? Di si Madam ko. Kaya pala. Guys, ang daming tao. Maligayang Pasko.
Maligayang Pasko.
Kabayan. Ang daming tao dito. Time change. Ano? Oras na ngayon? What time na ngayon?
30, 41.
They say 6:41. And then I go out, Madam. So it's 5. 5. So now it's 6. So,
You know, there is not pity, you know. It's like not food, the other one. When we come, it's okay.
24 ngayon na may
You see, like in pity, the train is the
Mayang
other one.
alas 2.
Saan may fireworks ngayon?
Because you know, when I
First
come, now we buy. Yeah, if you want, you can come with us.
No, I have friends also.
Ah,
I have go party.
Party, okay, we can come with you.
No, at my agency, at my...
You're a
Yeah. No, outside toilet.
But sa Burj Khalifa, may ano ngayon? Fireworks?
Maybe.
So
Meron
today,
na
off day until tomorrow.
My madam is not home. That's why we are... Oh, you too also.
That's why we are.
Your madam go on vacation?
Yeah.
Good, that's
So our
why.
vacation.
Nice one.
But the problem, what is this?
Yeah.
Busy.
Too much problem.
1 minute.
Hindi pa kami nakasakay. Yeah. Sobrang daming tao, grabe. 24 kasi ngayon eh. Uy, Christmas na. Merry
Traffic din
Christmas.
ngayon, di ba?
Ay, too much traffic. Galing ako ng Serena.
See? Wow, you go home tonight.
1 hour yung biyahe ko because too much traffic.
Before, we are like that.
Diyan na yung trend. Tingnan
I
niyo.
call someone to pick me. What I
Tingnan niyo yung trend.
How I go, maybe
No, of course have metro.
Ang daming tao.
Until 11.
See.
الرجاء الانتباه الجمهور المتجه
Daming tao.
Your
Grabe.
attention please. The train
Daming
to
tao pa.
Center Point will
Hindi ko alam kung makakapasok ako. Eh, hindi na, wala na. Oh, punuan na.
It's full. Now next time we are gonna.
Maybe next train. Hopefully.
Next train, doors closing!
Si Kabayan. Andito siya sa ano.
Ay, yun. Yun na naman.
Grabe. Ang daming tao. Linya. All in line. See, ang daming tao.
How you send us now the video?
Ha?
How you send the video?
الرجاء الانتباه
Okay, then you can see our some
There you post it really? No, don't post it. Okay, no, do it.
It's okay.
What's your name? Jane. My name is Meron. In Philippines, Have. Have.
Meron, di ba sa atin meron?
In Philippines, Have. My name in English, Have. I mean. So in the Philippines, Meron in the Philippines. So my name.
Meron ako.
Meron. So her name is Jonality. Yeah, you can cut it. So Jane, yeah?
Yeah. So 2 minutes pa yan. 1 minute na lang. Sana makapasok kami. Baba. Saan ka baba? Ang kasi ba?
Ujuman pa kami.
Eh, malayo. Ako, 2 station. Siguro yung friend ko daw nag-intro. Wala, 1 minute. Kanina, 1 minute lang yun.
Yeah, it was 1 minute.
Na-plan yung train. Kasi kanina 2 minutes.
What we do now?
1 minute. What we do now? 1 minute kanina. Ngayon, nag 2 minutes. 1 minute. Sobrang daling tao. Grabe.
Nani?
Ano na lang kaya pag New Year? Walang New Year. Hindi na tayo lalabas.
New Year.
Too much, yeah?
Yeah, because everyone
Stampede.
celebrates New Year. Yeah.
There's no work in New Year? But you know, tomorrow have work, by the way.
But everyone celebrates New Year. Yeah.
Yes. Restaurant.
Even yung mga lokal, nag-celebrate sila ng New Year.
Hindi ko lang.
Kasi lokal kami dati galing New Year. Wala silang Christmas, pero pag New Year, nag-celebrate sila.
Pero yung amo ko dati, wala hindi.
No, in Sharjah, they celebrate New Year, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the local.
Your madam?
الرجاء
All
الانتباه
No, it's not.
The local.
السنة
Ay, hindi, baka hindi sila ay ibang reliyon nila.
Your attention, please. The train to Center Point
I was also
will
local.
arrive
We are from local, but they celebrate
Yeah,
New
like
Year.
6 years, 7 years. We are working with local.
Every
now
New
expat.
Year, ang buong pa ng New Year
Expat.
Now,
Yan, expat, yeah.
Congratulations.
thank you. Oh my God.
Expat is
We are
like-
sleeping like this now.
But
Local
before
very
no.
naughty. Yeah? No, we are okay also for what's like
Salary.
but,
They also-
and the salary. Oh my God, very low. But no.
Yes.
But if we want, we go. Yeah.
Ayun, ayun. My
Now
God.
our turn, you know.
Too much people. Too much people. Hindi pa kami nakapasok, guys. Grabe, ang daming
Oh my
tao.
God, ano ba to?
Puno. Sobra puno. Hindi talaga maganda. Andito pa kami sa malapit sa pintuan, tapos kasi pagdating ng tren puno na siya. Kunti lang yung lumalabas.
No, Jonah, when we come,
Pag kunti lang yung kasing lumalabas,
even when I come,
tapos
there's chair like
siguro hanggang doon sa dulo mga ilang tren na ba? Mga 6 na yata eh. Mga 6, 7 na. Hindi pa ako nakapasok. Sobra daming tao. Meron. Are you okay? You're near. You're near here.
ano?
Huh? You're near.
I'm near, yeah.
Yeah.
But my friend's far from me, so oh my God, Jonah.
Yeah, it's too much people fall in line. You know?
What we can do?
Nothing. Waiting. Waiting for
Next
another
time we
train.
buy our own train.
Sana makapasok na kami, guys. Kasi andito
Your
na yung
attention,
train.
please. The train to Center
Hanggang
Point
dito
will
dalawa kasi
arrive at
magtutulakan
platform
kami hanggang
1.
makapasok. Bye-bye. Maasalamat.